Hey everyone! Today I'm bringing back an iconic era, the 90s supermodel makeup look. Think matte skin, soft contour, sultry eyes, and that signature brown lip. Plus, I'll be reviewing some of the best products to achieve this nostalgic glam. Let's jump in. Step 1. Create a flawless matte base with soft contouring. Start with a mattifying primer to blur pores and control shine. Apply a matte foundation for that airbrushed, photo-ready look. Lightly contour using a matte bronzer for soft definition. Recommended products: matte foundation name, medium to full coverage, long-lasting and oil-free. Matte bronzer name, blends effortlessly for natural contouring. Step 2. Thin, 90s inspired brows. If you already have thin brows, lightly define them with a brow pencil. If your brows are naturally thick, use concealer to faux thin them and draw a more arched shape. Recommended products: thin brow pencil name, ultra precise for a natural fine brow look. Concealer name, full coverage for sculpting brows. Step 3. Keep the eyes simple and sultry with neutral matte shades. Use soft matte browns and taupes to contour the eyes. Blend a deeper shade in the crease and lower lash line for a subtle smoky effect. Recommended products: neutral matte eyeshadow palette name, classic brown shades with a smooth finish. Step 4. Define lips with a brown lip liner and nude lipstick. Overline the lips slightly with a 90s style brown lip liner. Fill in with a matte or satin nude lipstick for a plump supermodel pout. Recommended products: brown lip liner name, creamy, blendable, and long-wearing. Nude lipstick name, the perfect 90s shade with a velvety finish. Step 5. Minimal but sultry eye makeup. Apply a thin winged liner or tight line the upper lash line. Use brown mascara or soft false lashes for a natural yet defined look. Recommended products: brown mascara name, defines lashes while keeping them soft and natural. Eyeliner name, smudge-proof for tight lining or a subtle wing. And that's the 90s supermodel look. Effortlessly chic and timelessly elegant. Would you wear this for a night out or every day? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and tell me your must-have product from this tutorial. Oh, and don't forget to finish with a matte setting spray to keep the look fresh and shine-free. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.